Ever wondered why the crypto market is on the rise? Why are those virtual coins making such a splash in the financial world? Well, it's not just about the allure of new technology or the thrill of riding a wave. It's about fundamental shifts in the financial landscape. Consider the equity market, a classic destination for investors. It's a place where shares in companies are bought and sold. Investors make money when the companies they invest in perform well. But the equity market, while substantial and established, is subject to economic cycles, geopolitical events, and company-specific risks. Now think about the debt market. This is where governments and companies borrow money from investors. It's considered safer than the equity market because the borrower has to pay back the debt with interest. But the returns are typically lower, and there's always the risk the borrower won't repay the debt. Enter the crypto market. It's a new kind of financial landscape. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's global, it's decentralized, and it's powered by blockchain technology. It's a market that's open to anyone, anywhere, with internet access. Unlike the equity market, the crypto market isn't tied to the performance of specific companies. And unlike the debt market, it doesn't rely on borrowers repaying their debts. It's a market that's driven by supply and demand, by the perceived value of different cryptocurrencies. Now you might be asking, why is the crypto market on the rise? There are a few reasons. One is increased adoption. More and more businesses and individuals are using cryptocurrencies for transactions. Another reason is the rise of institutional investors in the crypto space. These are big financial institutions like banks and hedge funds that are now investing in cryptocurrencies. And then there's the recent rally in Bitcoin. Consider this. Crypto miners and long-term holders are stockpiling Bitcoin, leading to a supply shock and potentially driving up the price of the cryptocurrency. Even small miners are starting to hold onto their coins, further reducing the available supply. This increased demand and limited supply position Bitcoin for further gains. So, what does this all mean for investors? It means that the crypto market offers a new kind of investment opportunity. It's a chance to diversify portfolios, to hedge against traditional market risks, and to potentially achieve higher returns. But remember, with high potential returns comes high risk. The crypto market is highly volatile, and investors need to be prepared for the possibility of losing their investment. It's important to do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before jumping into the crypto market. In conclusion, the rise of the crypto market is reshaping the financial landscape. It's challenging traditional markets like equity and debt and offering new opportunities for investors. But like any investment, it's not without its risks. So tread carefully, do your homework, and keep an eye on this exciting new frontier in finance.